Okay, for my chapter 1 teacher video, I'm going to do 1 to a number 7, which is the following sequence. The figures are made of cubes that are glued together. If the exposed surface needs to be painted, and how many squares will be painted in A, the 15th figure, so that's part 1, and then B, the nth figure. And then you can see that there's a cube here, and then there's 2 cubes, and then there's 3 cubes. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out how many squares are exposed on this cube, which we know that there's 6 surfaces to the cube, so that's 6. Then on the second one, there's also 6 on 2, but because they're pushed together, they both only have 5, so there should be 10. And then the same thing for this one, there's 3 of them together, but 2 of those sides are, or 3 of the sides, 4 of the sides, depending on how you look at it. This side over here for this one, and this one over here, and this one and this one. So this one only has 14. Well, then the question asks me to find the 15th figure, and I could potentially go all the way to the 15th and just keep going, but that's going to take a long time and a lot of work. So what I'm going to do is actually solve for question B first, and then go back and solve for A. So B is asking for the nth term, so I'm going to make a formula based off the fact that I know it's an arithmetic sequence. The formula for an arithmetic sequence is AN equals A plus DN minus 1, N being the term. Okay, so and A being the first number in the sequence, and D being the distance between each one. So then I know that A is 6 plus D, I can see that it's going up by 4. From 6 to 10 is 4. From 10 to 14 is also 4. Okay, and then I want the 15th term. So then I would do 15 as a term minus 1, which then to solve this, if I solve it, then I should get what the value of the 15th term is. So 15 minus 1 is 14 times 4 plus 6 equals AN. So then I'm going to solve for that. 4 times 14 is 56 plus 6, AN equals 62. So there I have learned that the 15th term should be 62 from learning what N was. So then we can go back and say that this would be our equation. AN equals 6 plus 4 and minus 1 for the nth term.